Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to paste Google AdSense verification code into the HTML of your WordPress website. Select the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Select Sites. Select Add Sites. Enter the URL of your website. Select Save and Continue. Select Copy to copy the code. Select the three lines at the top left corner of your WordPress website. Select Appearance. Select Theme File Editor. Select Theme Header. The code is pasted between the closing and opening head tags. Make sure that code is pasted between head tags or not. Select Update File. Select Request Review to review your website to approve it.